Hello, how are you?
Good.
I'm Frank and I'd like to introduce you to my cat. This is my cat, Black Cat. Looks kind of like a dog, but we feed him dog food, that's why he ended up like this. But he really is a cat. Look at the ears, these are cat ears. See? Cat ears. Say something. Say meow. Meow. See, he meows. Meow. Did you hear that? Oh, it's a nice kitty cat. Yes. Look at the teeth. Show the teeth. Come on. Nope, we don't want to show his teeth. So he's shy. He's camera shy right now. Now, let me show you my puppy. Here we go. Here's the puppy. His name is Puccini. This is the little puppy. See, he kind of looks like a cat because we feed him cat food. I mean, dog food. Look, he bites. Just like a dog. I think he's got rabies. Look at them together. Ah, see, look, he wants to attack the cat. Cats and dogs. Look at that, look. Snapping, maybe he's a snapping turtle. Look at this, oh, look at this. Okay, let's put him right over here. Nice doggy, nice kitty.